Hey there, history enthusiasts. Welcome back to Today in History, where we dive into the most astonishing, weird, and downright unbelievable events from our past. Think December 19th is just another day? Think again. From the publication of timeless Christmas tales to groundbreaking political shifts, we've gathered 20 incredible events that happened on this very date. So hit that subscribe button, and let's journey through time together. You won't believe what's coming next. Number 20. On December 19th, 1154, Henry II was crowned King of England at Westminster Abbey. His reign laid the foundation for English common law. Talk about starting off on a royal foot. Number 19. December 19th, 1606, 3 ships, the Susan Constant, the Godspeed, and the Discovery, set sail from England to establish Jamestown, Virginia, the first permanent English settlement in America. Number 18. On December 19th, 1777, George Washington's Continental Army began its infamous winter at Valley Forge during the American Revolutionary War. Survival became their toughest battle yet. Number 17. December 19th, 1843. Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol was published in London. Ebenezer Scrooge began his journey from miser to merry. Bah, humbug no more. Number 16. On December 19th, 1900, the Upper Ferntree Gully to Gembrook narrow gauge railway, now known as the Puffing Billy Railway, opened in Victoria, Australia. All aboard for a historic ride. Number 15. December 19th, 1907. 239 coal miners perished in the Dar mine disaster in Pennsylvania, one of the deadliest mining accidents in U.S. history. A dark day beneath the earth. Number 14. On December 19th, 1916, the Battle of Verdun ended during World War I, with French forces successfully repelling the German offensive. One of history's longest battles finally concluded. Number 13. December 19th, 1924, the last Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost was sold in London. After 20 years, the model dubbed the best car in the world drove into history. Number 12. On December 19th, 1941, Adolf Hitler assumed the position of Commander-in-Chief of the German Army during World War II, a pivotal and ominous shift in military leadership. Number 11. December 19th, 1946, war broke out in Indochina as Ho Chi Minh's forces attacked the French in Hanoi, marking the start of the First Indochina War. Number 10. On December 19th, 1950, General Dwight D. Eisenhower was appointed Supreme Commander of NATO forces in Europe. A future U.S. president commanding international troops. Quite the resume. Number 9. December 19th, 1958. The first radio broadcast from space occurred when President Eisenhower's Christmas message was relayed via the SCORE satellite. Space got its first holiday greeting. Number 8. On December 19th, 1963, Zanzibar gained independence from British rule, becoming a constitutional monarchy under Sultan Jamshid bin Abdullah. A new flag waved over the island. Number 7. December 19th, 1972, Apollo 17, NASA's last manned lunar mission, returned to Earth safely. The final footprints on the moon, so far, were left behind. Number 6. On December 19th, 1974, Nelson Rockefeller was sworn in as Vice President of the United States under President Gerald Ford, becoming the second person appointed via the 25th Amendment. Number 5. December 19th, 1984, the Sino-British Joint Declaration was signed, agreeing that Hong Kong would return to Chinese sovereignty in 1997 after over 150 years of British rule. Number 4. On December 19th, 1997, Titanic premiered in U.S. theaters, eventually becoming one of the highest-grossing films ever. Jack and Rose sailed into cinematic history. Number 3. December 19th, 1998, President Bill Clinton was impeached by the U.S. House of Representatives on charges of perjury and obstruction of justice, becoming the second U.S. president to be impeached. Number 2. On December 19th, 2012, Park Geun-hye was elected South Korea's first female president, marking a significant milestone in the nation's political landscape. Number 1. December 19, 2018, President Donald Trump announced the withdrawal of U.S. troops from Syria, declaring victory over ISIS, a decision that surprised allies and officials alike. If you thought December 19th was packed with surprises, just wait until you see what December 20th has in store. From unexpected discoveries to historical twists you won't believe, our next episode is set to be even more astonishing. So smash that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us tomorrow for another thrilling dive into history's hidden gems. Trust us, you won't want to miss it.